Hi guys, today with a vlog on my drone channel. I'll show you the fatal crash of my DJI Mini 4 Pro, a secret castle chamber, a dangerous flight into a cave and brutal good aerial footage of the drone. So check this out. So if you like what you see, then help the channel to grow and subscribe. Well, that's an adventure trail today. Right through the forest. Okay, and now we made it. There is that beautiful castle. Okay, gonna take out the drone in a second, so let's see.
Home point updated. Take off.
That was Castle Eberstein in the Thuringian forest. Quite beautiful. Well, here's a kind of cave or something. Looks like a medieval bus stop. Quite nice. A bit dark in here. If you plan to go to the Thuringian forest, then check this out. Quite nice trail to the hilltop where the castle is, and down in the valley over there is a river which is called Schwarze. If you have to translate this, it's called the Black River.
Take off.
By the way, here is another building which I guess belongs to the old castle. And here are also some kind of cellars and an old medieval door, which isn't locked. Let's have a look inside. I'm a bit afraid. What's in here? Oh, it's pretty dark. I think you can't see anything. It's just small. It's a very small room in here. You can play hide and seek. Just let's close the door. And now let's go back down to the valley. Weather starts getting bad. Here's a huge slate rock with a kind of mysterious cave below. Okay, let's get the drone inside. Okay, that slate rock is quite big. I need to capture some footage from outside. Looks good. Little crash. Anyway. Thankfully, nothing serious has happened. I just need to change some of the prop blades, but this is just minor stuff. So if you like the video, smash the like button, drop me a comment below and sub to the channel. If you are interested what's upcoming, check this short clip out. Holy, oh my goodness, what the heck. And that's it. See you. Bye bye.